Hello everyone, Redmi are all set to launch new smartphone Redmi A3 4G in India 14 February. This is the first look Redmi A3 and this is the box content. Yes, this is the entry-level smartphone from Redmi. The smartphone featuring 6.71-inch HD plus 90Hz LCD display and the phone peak brightness is 4000 nits. The smartphone comes with Helio G36 with LPDDR4X, 6GB of RAM and 6GB virtual RAM with 128GB storage and up to 1TB storage SD card supported. In the camera department, the phone comes with single 8MP main sensor and 5MP selfie shooter, and the smartphone running Android 13 with Go edition. The smartphone powered by 5000 mAh battery with 10W fast charger. The smartphone comes with 192g and 9.09mm thickness, and the smartphone also comes with a beautiful three color green, blue and black color. Expect to launch this smartphone 700 rupee. So let me know in the comment section below your thought about Redmi A3. That's pretty much for today. Make sure to hit the like and also subscribe if you have not already. Thanks for watching and I'll be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.